Alright guys, check this out. This is a brand new apple I saw at the grocery store. If you look here, there's the label, and it says Sugar Bee. It's a Sugar Bee apple, so check it out. The US makes it, so I'm gonna do a quick taste test and show you what it looks like. So I'm gonna open this up. I'm gonna wash it first. I'm gonna actually skin it too, so be right back. Alright, there it is. So give you guys a good idea of what it looks like, skin, without the skin, and let's do a quick taste test. There you go. Wow. This tastes like it's really sweet, okay? Think of almost like a Red Delicious with a different type of taste, like a Fuji apple taste. So it's really sweet and sort of like a Fuji apple. It's not crunchy, but it is super. It's super sweet though. Yeah, it's not bad. Definitely check it out, guys. If you have any questions, comments, post them below. Subscribe to the channel.